video, I'm going to tell you one thing. The way that I market my hair, the way that I treatment my hair with beard. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I do it. If you wanna have a hair, stay tuned. This is probably the closest that I can show you how my hair look from the very end to the top. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I do the treatment for my hair. Actually, it's not really like a full treatment, but I do this to make my hair soft and less fall. So you know, my hair won't fall that much, and I'm gonna show you what I do to make my hair soft. I went outside all day today. Honestly, my car is still fixing. Uber is so expensive, oh my gosh. But you know, I was in the TJ Maxx, and then this lady was just approaching me, and she was like, oh my god, I love your hair, and she was like, can you donate for me? And I'm like, girl, really you crazy. But anyway, so anybody that wish to grow the hair long and nice and soft, and make sure that it's not really fall out from you. So I had the trick that I do, and what I normally do is I use all the natural stuff, homemade with everything, you know. I don't really like to buy the treatment that they made by chemical and stuff like that and put it together. You know, I don't really use that. I feel like anything that I can find from the kitchen and I put it together, it's really good. So let's start with this. You first need bucket, okay? An empty nice bucket. This is new. I only use it for my hair, so I don't use it for food. So whatever you want to use, fine. You will need 2 eggs. 2 eggs, yeah. And cheers. No, this is a beer. You can use any type of beer. I just use Sapporo, and you just have to make sure that you let it sit and there's no foam from the beer, okay? So let's start. So in this process, you first step basically going to find any beer that you could find. I use a regular beer, Sapporo. Just put them in the clean bucket. Make sure, I suggest you to buy a new bucket that you never used for the food before, because you're going to use for the hair. 2 egg yolk, guys, only egg yolk, okay? No white egg, all right? So you just have to use your personal cooking skills or whatever it is. If you are not good at separate the egg yolk from the white egg like I do, then just crack it in the bowl, and you know, use the spoon to take only the egg yolk and put them together with the beer, okay? It could be any kind of beer. Honestly, I just use the regular beer. The beer that I use is the Sapporo. No, nothing specific about that. The beer is really good. It's full of vitamin. Oh shit, I use my hand, sorry. All right, let's not be too organic, even though I'm from Thailand. Let me use this stir. Don't stir it too hard, you know, just stir it softly enough that the egg yolk is mixed together with the beer. That's all. If you stir it too hard, it's going to be very foamy and you have to wait for a very long time for the foam to set before you can apply to your hair. Guys, make sure this process you do not have white egg on it, otherwise it will stick in your hair. I mean, yeah, that's what it is. Right, so I used my hair and I used my hand earlier, you know, but my beer was too cold, so I used the thing to stir. Use whatever you want, spoon, whatever, just stir it together. The best part is to stir it and make sure that there's no foam in there, because if you stir it too much and it get the foam, then you will have to wait for the foam to be set before you apply to your hair, you know. I just bought this from TJ Maxx. Bro, it's first day that is really cold in Florida after 7 or 8 months of not being cold at all, which is great. I like it. I just break my little knife. Damn, the type is so hard, like you're afraid somebody is stealing it. I don't want to get up. I keep getting up 10 times and I sit here. Right, so I I got it out. You would need one of the clip if your hair is long like me, but if your hair is not long like me, you can do it. If whatever way that is convenient for you. My hair is very long. Can you see it? Anyway, okay, it's very long. So I have to section my hair into 2 parts, so it will be easy for me to, you know, applying the beer and the egg yolk. By the way, for the egg, you would need only the egg yolk. You don't need the egg white. Okay, you don't need the egg white, you only need the egg yolk. So you apply the egg yolk into the beer and stir it together until it sits. Make sure there's no foam in there. Alright, so we're going to apply it. Show you a sit back a little bit. Alright, it's very easy for me, you know. I just put the whole hair inside the bucket because my hair is long, so it's cold. Because my hair is long and it's very easy for me to just, you know, apply everything into my hair. Make sure that your hair is wet and make sure that it's applied to every part of the hair. It's a little difficult, so complicated. Anyway, apply it the way that it works for you. Apply them all in all areas. Whatever works for you, you can do it in the bathroom, you can do it in anywhere that is work for you. I just want to sit here and do it. I'll clean up everything later. I will just roll everything in one. And just put it on this side. Whatever works. Now one side is done, so I'm gonna apply to another side of it. Same process. I'm gonna apply the whole hair from the bottom to the bucket. Make sure it's all wet. You're not gonna believe what I do with my hair, and what's happened to the floor is all wet. Anyway, whatever works for you. I just want to sit here at this good light. Apply it all. So now, all right. So now, oh. I have all this hair wet, and I'm basically trying to put it up together. And you need to have a shower hat. Bro, my hair is long. It can't even stay. Anyway, it's good. So you need to have a shower hat so you can cover it. Or you want to cover with the towel, also it's fine, but it's better with a shower hat. Just leave it like this for another 30 minutes. 30, 35, 30, between 25 to 35 minutes is fine. So make sure it's all inside the shower cap. And we're gonna clean it out. We're gonna shampoo it regularly. We're just gonna use the regular shampoo that you use it already. Whatever is it at house, just shower them, shampoo them, use the conditioner, everything regularly. Don't need to put anything extra, okay? So we're gonna leave it like this between 25 to 35 minutes. All right, I see you later. So after I dry all my hair, I just dried them, okay? I just dried them. I did not do anything with it yet, okay? I have a long, natural, straight hair. I dried my hair, as you can see. It's really soft, guys. Like, it's really, really soft. You should try this at home. Like, it's super soft. I really in love with the result. When I go to the salon sometime, you know, I didn't ask them to straighten my hair because this is gonna be a lot of work. Unless I'm in Thailand, they will do it for me because, you know, we born with this kind of hair and people kind of get used to it. Even the salon. Guys, I love the result. Do you see that? Okay, let me do it. Oops. Oops. All right. So I'm gonna show you very closely that you can see how my hair actually look. Do you see all these sections? You don't really see the dandruff. I can't even say this word. Yeah, you see when the white stuff is happening in your hair because of the bacteria or because of you didn't take care of your hair very well. But do you see mine? I don't have it. So if you guys want to have a good healthy hair, you have to stop damaging your hair. Okay? If you want to have a good healthy hair like me, you need to stop damaging your hair, stop applying the colors and everything. Okay? It's very, very difficult to take care of the hair, especially when you have a very, very long hair like me. You see this? So I don't do anything with my hair. I don't color, I don't straighten them, I don't use chemical with my hair, period. And my hair is naturally straight, so I mean, yeah, My hair is kind of healthy, thank God. How is shit? Sorry. So, do it at home, try it, and leave it for 30 minutes. And you will feel right away. You will feel right away that your hair is soft and it's just so like it's loose, like it's not stick together. You see, I can put all my finger. Oof. I put all my finger and my hair is still good. It's okay. It's fine. The trick that I want to tell you as well, do not shampoo your hair every day, okay? Every 2 days or 3 days is fine. I shampoo my hair every 3 to 4 days, so I don't shampoo it every day. And also, I don't comb my hair every day either. I don't comb my hair. I only comb my hair the day that I shampoo my hair, and that's it. And I wait for the 3 days, the next 3 days to comb my hair again. That's how lazy I am. But no, combing your hair every day also not good, okay? So, I don't know, trying to find a way to do it. This is done. I hope you enjoy this video. I really hope you enjoy this video. And let me know in the comment if you have any questions. Other than that, go ahead, enjoy, take your time. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.